Prime Minister Narendra Modi will address the annual NCC PM rally at the Cariappa Parade Ground in New Delhi this evening. This year, NCC is celebrating the 75th year of its inception. A special day cover and a commemorative specially minted coin of 75 rupees denomination will also be released. Angered over the manner in which party tickets were distributed to the candidates for the upcoming election on February 27th, the Garo Hills Congress Youth Wing on Friday burnt the effigies of MPCC President Vincent H. Pala, party leader Deborah C. H. Marak, new joiners Saleng A. Sangma and Bilikit A. Sangma. The Voice of the People's Party (VPP) on January 27 inducted the HSPDP leader Bobby P. Karchandi along with his supporters into the party fold in a meeting at Bishop Hall in Nongstoin. Bobby P. Karchandi will contest the upcoming polls from Nongstoin on a VPP ticket. Two Meghalaya youth who had been shortlisted earlier for the National Bravery Award 2023 have returned back home with the award for their meritorious acts of bravery. They received a heartwarming facilitation in Nongpo town today upon their arrival. India's Sania Mirza has bid farewell to her Grand Slam career after the Brazilian pair of Luis Stefani and Rafael Matos beat Mirza and Rohan Bopanna on Friday. It was Mirza's last match at a Grand Slam tournament before her retirement.